Well, hi, year threes. Today we're going to be chatting a little bit about combustion, and this is basically just the term given to when things react with oxygen and things burn. Okay, so the fancy word for burning is combustion. Now, in order for something to combust, we're going to need to have three things always. All right, and we always call this the fire triangle, and you'll see there's talk about it on page 137 in your book. But the fire triangle, very simply, states that if you have something that's burning, you need to have three things for it to burn. The first thing being a fuel, right, something to burn. Second thing, heat, right, enough to create ignition. And then the lastly is oxygen. Now, you guys just did that little test in test week. We had to talk about the fact that it's oxygen that's required for combustion to take place. All right, so we got what we call the fire triangle. So if we have fire or combustion in the middle, the triangle is oxygen on one hand, fuel on the other, and heat. All right, enough for ignition. Right, so that's the little fire triangle. Take one of those out of the fire triangle and you end up with no combustion taking place. So even if you have heat and you have the fuel, if you have no oxygen, you can't burn. For example, in space, right? If there's something to burn and there's enough ignition temperature, still nothing's going to happen because of lack of oxygen. All right. And obviously, if you don't have enough heat, you've got the oxygen and the fuel, right? That's why petrol doesn't spontaneously burst into flames when we have it just outside, because we've got the oxygen floating around, we've got the fuel there, but there's not enough heat for it to ignite. Okay, so that is the basis of the fire triangle.